to him.
That pop on his punches.
He's trying, but it's not as it was. No, that we did.
Ito yung laban ni Jemuel Arañas sa South Africa na kung saan nakaharap niya ang former world title challenger na si PHUMELELA CAFU sa isang 10 rounds na suntukan. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban.
CAFU, I mean, what a name on his resume.
CAFU's really special. His timing. That's a Filipino style, come forward, throw bombs. That's how they are. That's how they fight.
Movement.
Yeah, he's never stationary. Always a bit of movement, always something.
Yeah.
Shoulders, legs. Always.
He's just waiting, he's absorbing, he's reading the Filipino.
He's got learning what his opponent is going to do, what he offers.
Side guard, good left hook.
What a counter.
As I said, he's gathering the starter.
For 10 months, a year.
Yeah, a year.
So he's a real thing.
As soon as
people believe
fight gloves on, it's a different game.
Yeah. You don't wanna literally kill someone when you have sparring gloves on, do you? It's weird to say and it sounds ugly.
And that is the intention, yeah.
That's just a fact. You wanna really hurt. It's called the hurt business for a reason, yeah.
Yeah. And you can see he's trying to take his head off with that lead left hook.
Good right hand. Beautiful shot.
Good timing.
Timing, yeah.
Yeah. Close that. Look at Jamal's.
They don't bring their hands back.
Yeah.
It's just their style. It's how they taught them. They do that jump back, a lot of them.
And this is exactly what CAFU and his camp want, right? They want a little bit of time.
Wins and 3 losses. He's lost against some good opponents.
Very hard task.
For CAFU, what he needs to get back into it.
Yeah.
Oh, good right hand, good counter. CAFU just taking it easy, just waiting for his opportunity.
It doesn't look like these punches from Jamal have much effect on him.
No, he's not landing anything. Oh, down and up there. So close to that left hook, so close. And the speed of that combo.
CAFU did say he wants to go a couple of rounds to get off that rust. So
They're not getting caught, just
step back, yeah. Beautiful.
Getting used to it again.
He's seeing it, yeah.
Oh, good jab, good right hand. Just missing that left hook again, CAFU. Good stretches. Do a bit more.
Yeah, you're not going to win a decision like this away from home.
Yeah, especially with someone that is landing such clean shots on you.
Oh.
That was better work for him, making CAFU miss. An exceptionally hard right hand. Got a lot of power on his right. And we can see that the CAFU and him are prepared for that.
Yeah. Oh, good check left hook there by Jamal.
Tangled, feet got tangled there.
Well, caught CAFU there.
Got caught to the left hook, sneaky left hook there. They got the special one in the crowd at the back. And, former 2-time IBF world champion. Someone that's out to give him a hard fight. And it's going to be in the fight against him.
Exactly what he needs.
Oh, good jab.
Oh, good jab there by CAFU. Oh, tough now.
And yeah, he's starting to get his timing, get his range.
Oh, good left hand. Oh, he's trying to time that left jab with his right hand. Trying to throw his right hand over.
And he's
they
there
both
for
are.
him. Yeah, he's there for him. I heard someone shouting in the crowd to work the body, and he did it.
Going downstairs beautifully.
Oh, good jab. Solid jab.
Look at that jab. That left hand goes off their jab.
That was better. He's just missing his clean shots.
You can see the time off in the ring. And this is exactly what he needs to do. He needs to take off that rust.
Oh, that's why 10 seconds left in this round.
Very close round this.
Yeah, but you also Rakaras when he shot. guys are getting in. He's getting his range. Like we said, ring rust's a real thing. He's working himself into the fight. Every round, he seems to be getting better and better and sharper. Oh, good left hook.
Oh, good left hook.
Oh.
They're catching each other, these two, with their lead hooks. Needs to answer their CAFU. Oh,
Good body shot there. From too far away.
He's got nice tight guards. Oh.
What?
Right hand downstairs.
Yeah,
Leaving
even
that right hand.
Didn't land with too much power, but it was the shot that he's been looking
He's
for
seeing
another
it,
jab.
yes. He's catching on to the timing.
Yeah, he's starting to
He's
get
already
more
in.
into it. Yeah, more into it.
Good jab.
Oh, good counter left hook there. The flat.
One round up.
Yeah, he's landing the cleaner shots, the
Yes.
better shots.
I like that right hand downstairs.
Oh, there, beautiful shot there.
Oh, good right
Body
hook to the body. Wow. Oh, good left hook to the body. And he gets one back himself.
Good short jab as well.
Beautiful fight. Yeah. Both these boys are warming up now.
Oh. Good solid jab there from CAFU down the middle.
Yeah, Jamal's trying here.
Yeah,
But he's just not landing the cleaner punches this round either.
yeah, that's a fight that the CAFU needed. Fight
Yes.
that's a guy that's
game.
out to fight. That
Yeah.
guy, he wants to come and win. He's not just out to.
The body.
Yeah,
CAFU's
decent body.
starting to see that dividend now.
And Jamal just does that little burst of shots.
CAFU mustn't let him get away with so much.
Yeah, that was
Needs to answer back there.
if you're working for good body shots.
beautiful body
body
shots.
shots. Oh, good jab.
Good jab. Oh,
Now
good
then-
jab.
Oh,
Now he's opening up his CAFU. CAFU's guard's just ever steady.
Arañas is still firing, still hitting. He's not landing anything, but he's still started round 6. Exciting fight. Every
Good jab
round,
by Jamal.
every round has just become better.
Better and better and better, yeah.
Especially for CAFU. Starting to land better. The flat. Oh, good
beautiful
cover,
by
down and
CAFU.
up. Beautiful left hook as
He's
well.
finding that left hook now. He's finding a home for that left hook.
You still watch out for the power.
Hey,
There, guards up,
Jamal comes
blocking
straight
up.
back. These Filipinos always come to fight.
CAFU's still out landing him though.
Yeah.
Landing the cleaner shot.
They're here to fight. What a main fight it is. CAFU not
Oh,
giving up that
body
opportunity.
shot.
Beautiful left hook to the body.
The CAFU's doing exactly what he has to do. Guards up, catching the shots, landing the cleaner punches. Starting to find his range beautifully.
Oh. Steps in on a good one too, does. Yeah,
But, oh, there, beautiful punching again.
answer there.
And, oh,
Yeah,
there,
good, well done.
short left hook. Got beautiful jab again.
And again. I like the way he covers up after he throws that right hand.
Yeah, everything's so
tight.
compact.
Yeah. Oh,
Left
good
hook
left
again.
hook. Mr. Jamal can take a shot.
I can
Wow.
take a solid punch.
Wow.
Definitely. CAFU going a little wider of that over and right.
Yeah.
And he's going to have to start doing a bit more of that, putting a bit more pressure on.
Otherwise he's going to let CAFU run away
Oh,
with it.
good right hand there. Because CAFU is landing the cleaner shots every time. And the flash starts quick and then just
He fades.
yeah, he fades. Yeah, stop.
I think those body. Oh,
what
good
a
right
shot.
hand. I think those body shots are starting to slow him down.
Yeah, it seems that way.
I like that tip right hand.
And CAFU's head movement, that's slipping off the jab.
Hard to
Looking
set
very
on
good.
that.
Yeah, he's been looking very good. keeping off the center line the whole time.
You can hear the corner telling CAFU to keep walking him down.
CAFU making him slip, making him miss.
Not many of these punches are landing from Jamal.
Yeah, he's straight.
All on the
straight.
cards. Oh, good right hand.
He's just not, I think he has just not landed it flush. Oh, that jab.
Got a beautiful left jab. Tough and oh, beautiful combo. Hurts in there.
Left to right.
And of course the Filipino comes back with his answers.
20
They're really throwing the kitchen sink at each other.
20 seconds on the right left.
Oh,
Beautiful shot. He's starting to time it now.
good combo from the flash.
They're getting that right there.
Oh, missing. Very competitive fight this.
Yeah.
World devil fight, you know,
Yeah,
that's what you expect to see.
We must just always say.
He's here for world
competitive
title contention.
Yes, he's here to,
Look at that right hand. He's not there to give up.
no, he's here to prove himself, to get something out of it. Might not, like I said, he might not be. You can see when he lands that hands go, that all his punches are landing and they're landing clean. Whereas Jamal's punches are falling short or they're hitting the guards.
Yeah.
Let's see who the cleaner fighter is. The more schooled guy, that's better to say.
Definitely. Like you said, CAFU absorbing a lot of these shots on the guards.
No, he's not taking any damage. Oh, so he's still going to get him for a nosebleed, but that's...
It's gone.
Oh, look at that shot.
Oh, beautiful jab hook right hand.
Peter the Flash, Jamal's he's got extremely
High level fighters,
and
yes.
he's got a hard power. He's
throwing
extremely
everything at him.
hard. Oh, that's right then.
Jamal's a little bit tired, yeah.
So,
Output's not the same as what it was in the beginning of the other rounds.
yeah, he's not, and the explosiveness is there.
That pop on
He's
his
trying,
punches, yes.
he's trying, but it's not as it was. We just said he tried there, but he stopped straight on it. This is what I thought you would have done from the start of the round. You started throwing more punches.
Good jab.
Over and right.
He likes that
Beautiful
combination.
shot. And it's been working for him.
Yes, beautifully. All on the cards there again.
Yeah, and it's the Flash also liking his combination of those left hooks.
Yeah.
They haven't been landing.
I'm surprised they haven't caught each other more with that lead left hook.
Yeah, definitely. A few more punches, try and push the pace a bit. He's still in the fight, but he's just being picked off.
Oh,
He's still working, he's still trying.
CAFU's really stepping on it now.
And the thing is, he's doing like I said, he's stepping on it, but his guard is still up,
His
still
guards are
catching him,
beautiful.
still focused, still
Taking all
calm.
these punches on it.
But still, the Flash, the ball has
Beautiful fight.
been in there, he's been firing,
Beautiful fight.
trying to land, throwing hard shots
Throwing a
like
big
that.
right hand there.
CAFU looking beautiful now, those jabs,
Just
outpointing, outlanding. But he's still there, still doing what he was
100%.
supposed to be doing. You have to give a good fight.
Yes.
That's what we got. Oh, beautiful combo there from CAFU.
These two are really going at it now. Minute and a half to go. Oh, good step. Oh, good right hand.
Time for shot. Just beautiful timing on that shot. Good left hook there again.
I like how short he keeps those hooks.
Minute left, a low blow there from the Flash. Giving a few warnings. Third warning there. Oh, left hook over. Not landing clearly, but a good attempt. Oh, beautiful jab there.
Last last 30 seconds of the last round. Let's see if they're going to step it up here. Oh, good round.
CAFU doesn't have to.
Yeah.
Just keep
got
on boxing
the
the way he is.
fight.
Just outbox him.
Nice, beautiful tight bars. Right hand in front of us.
Better punching there from Flash, but not that.
Oh, just missing, yeah. 10
They
seconds.
landed some uppercuts on the inside there. But nothing to hurt CAFU. Good movement.
CAFU's slowing the fight down there beautifully.
You don't need to do anything now. Take good left hook there.
PHUMELELA!